Designed for imperfect sealing surfaces, engineered and manufactured specifically for the repair environment to help seal imperfect sealing surfaces. Sealing technologies, exclusive sealing innovations and technologies with proprietary materials and unique design features to ensure a superior seal for your repair. Engineering expertise, parts are designed, reviewed, validated and approved by FelPro engineers through rigorous research and development. Real-world tested, parts are tested on vehicle and validated to ensure optimal performance on the road. Every part for the repair. FelPro gasket sets include every part needed for the repair unless otherwise noted. FelPro gaskets offer 100% vehicle sealing with application-specific materials to give you sealing solutions with the performance and durability professionals trust. Top reviews from the United States. It's FelPro. Name says it all. Out of 29 years in the automotive industry, I have never had any of their gaskets fail. 98% of the time it's the installer, not the gasket, when it comes to FelPro. I can tell you, if you unsure of the part being correct, do not open package.